Peter Pan, that's what they call me. Promise that you never be lonely.
It's your boy T-Y-I-I. Oh yeah, I'm back, baby. Shout out to the Light crew, my fellow Likings, baby. What's going on with y'all, man? We got a package today in the mail. My tips, my 5-inch tips. You jealous, GT?
No.
GTD looks a little jelly over here. That's okay. Y'all got these in the mail today, man. I came home from work and I got them. And I'm about to bust them open. And Christine over there looking extra jellified. Ain't nobody said that when you got all those colognes or perfumes in the mail. But yeah, I'm about to bust these open real quick because I'm excited. Come on, Ice. Woo. Man, they got this bad boy. Look how they got the seal. You can cut your fingers on these. Yeah, let's see what they look at. Let's see what they talking about, man. This ain't gonna be no long video, you know what I'm saying? This look, I just want to show y'all. I'm not gonna install them today. I just want to show y'all what they look like. Ooh, there better be another one in there. Be careful when you're taking them out. Yeah, be careful when you're taking them out, man, because they got these little metal pieces on here. I'll show y'all when these little metal pieces on here. These can scratch your exhaust tips up, and you don't want to scratch your exhaust tips up as soon as you get them. As soon as you get them, you don't want to scratch them up. So make sure you take those out the box. You know what I'm saying? Come on, Carbon, you was hating for real. I got these from Carbon Exhaust. I paid, how much I paid for these? About $250? I think I paid $250 for these bad boys.
That's something you should probably start looking up before you start your videos.
You could have left that out the video. You know, I don't gotta look up nothing. I'm just giving y'all how much I paid. I paid like $250. Bump what Christine talking about. I'll put it in the description how much I really paid. But I thought she may have knew off the top of her head. But I don't really know how much I paid, but I think I paid like $250. But it don't really matter, you know what I'm saying?
How would I know how much you paid for?
You know,
you don't even know how much you paid
everything else. You know everything else.
When I order it, I didn't order it.
Come on now. Come on now. And this what they this the box they come in. Hold on, make sure.
Make sure the address ain't in there, you know.
Yeah, this the box they come in. Mm-hmm. I got them from they send them to you FedEx. I believe it came FedEx. Let's take one of them out the package and see what it's talking about. Ooh.
Man, get out of here.
There they go.
Dang, those look big as hell.
Look how big this bad boy is.
Let's go hold him up to the car and see.
Yeah, let's go hold him up to the car.
They look like more than damn 5 inch.
Yeah, those are like some truck pipes.
Yeah,
Got that
really
camera
good.
for me, Christine. Appreciate you. Look how big this thing is.
Hold it up to your eye so you can see. Turn it so I can't see. You look like the Jeepers Creepers dude.
I see you.
Those are big.
Look, you can put your whole mouth in these. Look, put your whole mouth in these. My whole hand can go in
It's
these.
gonna be too big, bro.
Let's go see.
Come on, GT.
I'm just saying.
GT, this one this gonna be too big.
Sprinkle a little bit of hate.
Sprinkle a little bit of hate.
Super Sport. Reptile. Bang, ugly ass.
Oh yeah, okay. Them boys gonna look good.
Mm-hmm.
Fit right in the hole.
That was too big, baby.
Those look good, bro. Okay.
Can I have your old ones?
Yeah. I won't be installing these today. I just want to let y'all see what they look like. Like I said, I paid like $250. I will put a link. I'm not gonna link these because I'm not gonna help them make no money because they charge me and I ain't getting no discount. But I'll let you know where I got them from. But I won't put no link because you will find it. But yeah, this is the company. You could just look that up right there actually. And I paid $250, I believe, whatever. I don't know. Let me stop saying what I paid. I paid $200 or something. But yeah, this is what they look like. This bad boy is huge. Look how big this thing is. Good God. Mm-hmm.
What's those?
Let's see.
What size are those?
It's almost as big as my hand.
I believe these right here. These got to be
3
3-inch. Nah, they might
or
be 4 inch.
2.5. Nah.
Maybe 3.5 inch.
Yeah.
Damn, I spit all over the motherfucker. Damn. Sloppy mouth motherfucker. God damn, old stupid loop lip motherfucker. But yeah, these gotta be about 3 inches. About 3.5. These ain't no little ass tips. These ain't little tips. But they
Hold them up underneath. Put that black one underneath. Let's see.
compared to this motherfucker. Look at
Yeah.
it. You can actually put this one inside of this one.
You sure can. Dang, it's gonna fit right in that slot just nice. Do that again, let's see.
This thing trying to make me scratch my tips up. I
Yeah,
ain't.
it's gonna look good. No, you ain't gotta put it all the way in there, I'm just saying.
Man, that's what we got, baby. They come in chrome or black. I got mine black because I think that black is hot. I would really like to put like a Go Mango strip inside here.
So it can be so dusty from the exhaust.
It's gonna be dusty, but they gonna still see that Go Mango.
Watch you put the Go Mango strip on the little rim on the outside. That way it doesn't get exhaust dusty.
I told y'all I was gonna paint them Go Mango. You didn't really like that idea. But think about these big old Go Mango tips. What you think, GT? Big old Go Mango tips?
No.
Dang.
Exactly.
I tried.
That's too much.
That's
You're doing too much.
That's overdoing it.
Yeah, that's too much.
Damn.
Just leave them like they are.
But yeah, this is what I got, baby. I'll figure out what I'm gonna do extra with them. But right now, I just want to put them on the car. I'm not gonna do a video today because, as you can see, it's raining outside. I ain't gonna do no video, but hey, carbon exhaust, $200 and something. It took about 2 weeks,
Yeah.
maybe 2 or 3 weeks for these bad boys to get here. When we went to little fellas?
Well, that was the 8th. The
So,
6th?
The 6th of this month.
Yeah, we got back on the 8th.
So, and I ordered them before that. I went to little fellas. So I probably ordered them at the beginning of the month, and
Yeah.
it's now the 25th. I got them on the 25th of this month, so 25 days, about 2.5 weeks. No, that's 3 weeks. 3 weeks and a few days. But with that being said, positive joint for y'all, baby. Stay away from negative Ned, negative Nancy, also negative Christine, because she is off the chain. Your negative fiance will be in the area. She will do some negative stuff, but you ignore your fiance. They always trying to get under your skin. But like I said, stay away from negative Nancy, negative Ned. Always shoot for the sky. Sky ain't the limit, but you better shoot for something. Always be a leader, never a follower. Don't let nobody tell you what you can't do. Not even your fiance. Don't let nobody tell you what you can't do.
I don't tell you that
I know
you can't do anything.
I'm just saying, some people's fiance will tell them don't do it because they be comfortable. Don't do you. Do you. Be great, baby. And with that being said, it's your boy T-Light. Oh yeah. And I'm out this piece. Jiddick.
Your fam, that's what they call me. Promise that you never be lonely. Be the fam, that's what they call me.